Hello, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing us how to use the left join clause in SQL. So you need to be joining two tables with the left join clause. So let me quickly explain what left join means. So the I've been able to sketch two circles. So these are two circles representing two tables. So the left has data, right has its own data, but there's an intersection between them. So what left join actually does is that it takes all the data on this left side, all the data, including the one that is common to the right. So anything that is not common to both of them, it will exclude it. So it takes all the data that belongs to it, including the one that the right has. So anyone that is not common to both of them, it excludes it. So that's what left join does. Let me explain better with this. So we have these two circles representing two tables. So the left has, I've told us that the left is the one on the left side, right is the one on the right side. So the left has 2, 8, 9, 1, 4. The right has 6, 3, 7, 1, 4. So when you're doing left join, the left join will take the 8, 2, 9, and these two values are common to both of them. For example, if both are apart and there is no intersection between them, so it will not take anything from the right. But it can only take something from the right if the left itself has it. So that is why it's taking this 1 and 4. So that's what left join is all about. So let's go back to our query and write our query. So let's use our data set. Let's see our data set that we'll be using. Select all from students. Okay, let me write the second one. Select all from courses. So let me run both so that we can see. Okay, so these are data sets. So now I want to do a left join between both. So let's select we're selecting the student's name. In the previous video, the video where we discussed the inner join, I've been able to explain some other methods of writing this query, so you can actually check it out. So select. So I'll write a. Okay, let me just write it in full. So we are selecting student's name from students. So students dot student's name dot student's name. So the student's name is from the student. Student's name, comma. So we are selecting class from. Okay, let's select class 2 from the students. So we are selecting student ID from student 2 and class. So let's make the first one student ID. Student's name, and let's select this one. Let's select class from the students table. So from the courses table, we are selecting from the courses table, let's select subject from the courses table. Sorry, we're the course name. So courses dot course name. That's what we are selecting from the courses table. So from our left table, so our left table is the students. That's the first one. So our left table is students. So from students, so we are left join. So the right table is courses. On. So what is common to both of them? Student ID. On students does student ID. No, this should be student ID. Student ID. Okay, so on student ID, okay, equals to courses.student ID. That means student ID from the courses.student ID. So equals to courses.student ID. So do you understand now? So select students. We are selecting student ID from the students table, student's name from the students table, class from the students table, course name from the courses table. This is the courses table. Selecting course name. So from students, our students table is the left one. From the students, we are left joining courses table, which is the right. On something common to both of them is the student ID. Student ID, meaning this student ID under this student table, equals to courses.student ID, means this courses ID, this student ID under the courses table. So let's run this and see. So we can see. Okay, let me run everything together. First, run everything so we can understand better. So we can see student ID from the student table. It has, the left is the student table. It has brought out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the student ID. The student's name that is common to them. So we can now see that it's bringing out 2, 1 because the courses table to us, it has 2, 1. And the student table has 1, so it's common. It has 2, so it will bring those 2 rows out. So we have 2, 1 here, so it has brought it out. So the first one is they are both Alice. The name, they are both Alice. The class is still 9 here, but the courses are different. We have, for the first we have mathematics, for the second we have English. So it's going to split it out like that. So we can see it has brought out all the details. But we can see under 5 we are having null. Anything that's only the left has, that the right doesn't have, and it cannot get the detail, so it will bring it out as null. So that's why under the student table we have 5, the student ID 5. We have Eva as the name. The class, so we can see 5 Eva. The class is 9 here, but unfortunately there is no 5 Eva, or that there's no 5 here as a student ID. So to bring it out as 5 Eva 9 here. But so it's telling us that no, it's not under the right one. So you bring it out as null. So that's all about the left join. I hope you've been able to gain something. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye.